Hey friends, so have you ever stepped on the scale and you looked and you was like, oh, no, you did not show me that number. Like, how dare you? Because first of all, you must be wrong. So let me step back off this scale and then step back on this bad boy. Have you ever done that? Have you ever felt devastated because you lost weight and then you looked up and you gained that weight and more? If so, that be me too. And I want you to stick around because what I'm going to do is take you on my journey, okay, of a 30-pound weight gain and what I'm doing to drop this bad boy like it's hot. Hey, my name is Dr. G, and again, welcome to this video. Now, on this channel, we're talking everything faith, family, and lifestyle. And of course, I'm a pediatrician, but guess what? I started a new YouTube channel for pediatric related content. Click the link in the description to go check that out. In this video, baby, we are talking about the weight gain, and the primary reason I feel like busy working mamas like me gain it. And it is because we are not addressing the stress. Yes, I said it. We are not addressing the stress. And so I want to take you on a journey. Now, in this video, I am going to a local gym because I missed my personal training that morning. Because guess what? Sis was tired. Because why? Sis did not go to sleep when she needed to go sleep. So when it was time for sis to get up, sis was like, you know what? I ain't doing this today. You feel me? But anywho, I hope you enjoy the video. And once we get done, I want to break down this thing called stress. And I want to focus on one thing in particular, and that is exercise, with the hopes that this video brings you value and will help you to open your eyes to where you are and why you may have gained the weight and why it may be lifestyle, and how we can get on this thing and get on this road and do what we need to do to get ourselves in a better, healthier state. Okay, I'll see y'all when the video ends. Hey friends, I am actually headed to the gym. If you're new to my channel, I'm Dr. G, and I want to share my journey with you. I am a general pediatrician, and I gained 30 pounds in 1 year. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out how in the heck did I do that, but no, maybe I'm not trying to still figure it out. I am processing and have processed and limited and all the things. So I know I gained the 30 pounds, and I want to talk about it in this video with hopes that it will help you make some lifestyle changes that will prevent you from getting here. And if you find yourself in a similar situation as me, well, let's get on this journey together, because I'm telling you, I'm about to drop this 30 pounds like it's hot, sis. Now, I am okay, I did say drop it like it's hot. I am a Louisiana girl. If you are new to this channel, I'm a Louisiana girl. So the New Orleans bounce and all of that, when I was in college, that was a big thing. So yeah, drop it like it's hot. I'm headed to the gym, and I'm about to get on this treadmill, run a mile, and then my goal is to at least try to accomplish 20 minutes on the stair stepper. And I wanted to take you on this journey with me. We are better together. You know, iron sharpens iron, and hey, why not? Couple of ways I feel about this 30-pound weight gain. First of all, embarrassed. And if you've been where I am, you probably embarrassed too. Baby, I was so happy to walk up in the stores and get in my new size. It was just, you know, it was like a euphoric feeling. And I told myself, I will never gain this much weight ever again. And here we go, one more again. This channel is all about celebrating all things you. And sometimes we just got to celebrate us even when we feel like we fail. For me, it's not about the weight gain. It's about health and longevity. It's about sowing good seeds. And I hadn't really sown all the good seeds for health and wellness. And you know what? For me, it starts with one word. And that one word is stress. Yes, you named it. We as women have to learn how to manage our stress in healthy ways. And stress is the number one reason why I feel like I regained the 30 pounds back. Because you know what? When you stress eat. Whew. And so that's what I did. So in this video, we're going to talk about ways that we as women can manage our stress levels. And I pray that you take this journey with me. And girl, I'm going to be praying for you. And I pray that you pray for me so that we can all get on through here and do what we need to do. Okay. So about to walk in the gym now. See y'all in a minute. Okay. Bye. So I just finished working out. I did not meet with my trainer this morning because I was tired, like I said. But I just did a mile outside, just kind of a slow jog walk because I got to build my stamina back up. It took me 16 minutes to do a mile. I jogged, walked a mile. Took me about 16 minutes, and then I did 20 minutes on the treadmill. So I slept and did not meet with my personal trainer this morning because I was tired. But I did something, and I feel so good about myself now. Oh, y'all, I am about to get home, get myself cleaned up, and get my son out to his practice. But we're going to talk a little bit more about this stress as we dive deeper into this whole concept of how we as busy working women, marriage, parenthood, professional lives, all the things that we need to show up for and show up and be our best selves. How do we manage that freaking stress that can sometimes go along with that? We'll talk a little bit more about it, but yay me, I actually did my workout. Y'all just got to forgive me because this lighting is up 0, but anywho, I'll figure this thing out. To be continued. Okay, guys, I am back, and yes, some of you may be saying, oh, no, I know Dr. G didn't say drop it like it's hot. Yeah, Dr. G said drop it like it's hot. I'm sorry. I am a Louisiana girl, and drop it like it's hot. That song came out. I was in college, and honey, I was in college, and I'm going to just leave it right there. But anyway, let's get down to the nitty gritty because this video is about providing value to help you maybe recognize the areas in your life that may be contributing to your weight gain. Starting with the mnemonic that I use for, stress. The first one was sleep. A lot of us do not get enough sleep. Number one, the sleep hygiene is poor. Okay, time spent. We spend all the freaking time. Think about time like a bank account. If you overdraw with spending, you're going to have penalties and fees. You're going to have to pay that thing back. Well, that's what we're doing with time when you think about it. We are overspending it. We are overdrawing on ourselves, and we are having the penalties that are associated with it. Okay, the next letter in stress is R. R is all about rest, but not so much rest, but rest. Rhythms of rest. That's what I'm talking about. We have to have some rhythms of rest, meaning that like we really need to schedule a rest. When we're looking at our calendars, when we're planning for the week, when we're planning for the day, we need to be intentional about scheduling time where we do nothing so that we can rest and recharge. Now, the next letter in stress is E. And I'm going to link this video at the top. And here it is. But here's the thing. When I came up with this mnemonic, it was literally on the fly when I was going for a walk, and I knew I needed to record a video, and I was kind of processing the why, and stress came up. So I knew it wasn't nothing but a God thing. But when I originally thought about this, the E stood for eating alone. But now y'all know I got to add to that bad boy. As I've been thinking about this thing some more, it's not only eating, it is also exercise and the lack thereof. Which, by the way, I just finished doing again. I had to quit virtual training because I realized I wasn't pushing myself hard enough, and I need community. More on that later. So I'm adding exercise to that. Now let's talk about the last 2 letters of stress. The first S, stress hormones, baby. Because when we are chronically stressed, that cortisol and some other stress hormones are hanging out, right? They are hanging out, and we need to let them go. We gotta kick them to the curb. Like you overstaying your welcome. We want you to come in and drop off when you need to drop off, but we need you to leave. Okay, that's how we need to think about cortisol. Cortisol is a good thing when it's used in the way it's supposed to be used. When our body produces it and it's hanging around when it's supposed to be hanging out. Fight or flight response. Fight or flight response. High stress things, right? Fight, flight. We need everything to kick into gear so that we can remain safe. The problem is we are chronically stressed and it's hanging out. It is overstaying its welcome. And because of that, we are having the weight gain, especially in our stomach areas, our abdominal circumference. Yes, I am a doctor, and I had to say that, but you know what I mean. Our gut, our fupas, all the things. Cortisol really affects how fat is deposited in our body, that part. And then the final S is self-care. And I'm ending with that one because we do not have enough self-care. So what do you need to do to take care of you? Sis, like, think about it. What do you need to do to take care of you? Because when you take care of you, that means that you're going to be the better you at all the roles you need to fulfill, at being a wife, at being a mother, as being a doctor, a lawyer, teacher, whatever you are, whatever role the Lord has blessed you to be in right now. You're not going to be your best self at that until you take care of you. Now that I've gone through the letters, I am telling you, girl, just let me know in the comments, because I know I am not alone. Well, baby, if I could sing, it would be a disaster. The Lord knew not to give me that gift because y'all get tired of me. But anyway, let me know if you resonate with this and you find yourself, your lifestyle, somewhere in that stress mnemonic. Okay, that'd be me. But I do want to focus on exercise today, which is why I'm sweating and which is why my hair looked like a hot mess, because I just worked out hard this morning. Yes. And I'm proud of myself because not only did I work out, I challenged myself even more than I normally do. I typically use 10-pound weights, maybe 15 sometimes, but when I did my squats, sis jumped it up to 20, and I'm tired and I feel good though. No, I didn't make myself pretty to record this video for y'all, because this is real. Who looks pretty when they went and got their hinds handed to them at workout? Back to exercise. We need to make sure we're intentional about getting exercise in. And some people may say, oh, exercise is so formal. Like, literally, you can turn your television on YouTube. There are so many free workouts. And last night we went to a graduation celebration, and it wasn't a formal workout. We were just on the dance floor, line dancing, doing the boots on the ground and all the other stuff with the kids as they were celebrating these milestones in their lives. And I love to dance. That's exercise. We have to learn how to move our bodies. Move them. Like, we just gotta move it. Move it. Okay. So there, of course, are going to be conflicting recommendations out there. And I don't want to get into the science of all this, because truly I'm coming to you as Dr. G, but I'm coming to you as a sister in the Lord who is on this journey to realign my life in a way that glorifies the Lord and take care of myself so that I can go out and do what He's called me to do. And I'm hoping that you would do the same. If this video was a blessing to you, as I'm pouring with sweat, if it was a blessing to you, please like it and share it with somebody else who may need this information. And again, sis, I want you to know that I celebrate you. I celebrate the amazing woman that you are. This channel is all about us learning how to celebrate all the amazing things about who God created us to be. But before we can do that, we have to take inventory and learn how to address the stress. Now, if you're new here and you find yourself in a season where you need to rebuild, I have created an amazing journey for you, and it is called Rebuild You. You will get delivered weekly motivation via the form, a quick question to help you ponder, to think about ways that you need to rebuild. But I think I really love those questions the most because it helps you to take survey of where you are now and what you've done over the past year to get you where you are. And again, if you find yourself in a state where you need to rebuild, click the link in the description box, and go on this journey called Rebuild You. We will not be a bugaboo. You'll hear from me once a week, and I will prompt you and guide you so we can go on in here and rebuild together so that we can fulfill our God-given purposes. Before I go and get this hair together and get myself together and rest. Yes, that part. I think I'm gonna take a nap after this because much needed nap. The workout was a workout today. I just want to say thank you for being here, and then I want to pray for you. Lord, I thank you for my sister who is watching this video. If it stumbles across her timeline and she makes it to this prayer, I hope she understands that you have her on your mind, that she is fearfully and wondrously made, that she can celebrate every part of her, even if she finds herself in a season where she needs to rebuild. Okay, guys, I am here for you. I am cheering you on, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.